day 8 of this Christmas countdown with me, John of Petershams Millinery. Let's crack in with this video and see what is in this, which we can kind of see already. Let's not pretend we've seen that. Let's see what's in here. Okay, day 8, and this is one of the bigger ones, so let me just take that off. Ooh. Right, so to day 8 we have, ooh, this is beautiful, and I love this shine. Let me just get rid of that. So the note with today, it says, feeling festive yet? I'll tell you something, I've got my tree up. I am feeling festive. And for those of you that have been with me a long time, you know I pre-record my videos. So this is mid-November. And yes, I have my tree up mid-November. Why not try one of these? Why not try one of our polybraid boaters? The perfect staple for those with a penchant for glitter and drama. Oh, these girls know me. They know me. Glitter, drama, I'm there. I am there. It actually feels really nice, and the sparkle is really pretty. Now these are retailing at £16, which really is a bit of a bargain, really. Oh, excuse me. So I'm just trying to think what could you do with this? I mean, gold and fuchsia always looks really nice together. Want to go Christmassy? Gold and red. Ooh, that's actually really nice. And because what I would probably do is maybe just steam it a little bit just to get that shape back together, but it's really pretty. It's really pretty, and it comes with the Petersham lining, the Petersham ribbon already sewn, so you don't even. That's one of the other things I hate: blocking and sewing Petersham lining ribbon. No, I hate that. So yeah, this is a beautiful polybraid boater in the metallic. What colour is this called? This is the gold metallic. So 16, bargain, love it. Today's question is favourite coffee. Coffee is coffee. So I'm a Yorkshire boy. I'm a northern person. Now, not all Yorkshire people are like this. This is just me. But I do like a Greggs coffee. I know. There's just something about the temperature, the quantity, the flavour. I like it. You go to some places and coffee is like, it's kind of warm. I want a hot coffee. Greggs do it well. And in fact, Starbucks do a really nice, because it's kind of that season, pumpkin spice latte, which is one of my favourites, but it's not my favourite. And I always have a very large coffee with 2 pumps of pumpkin, not 3, because 3 is a bit too much. But Greggs do a pumpkin spice, which actually is really tasty. So yeah, pumpkin spice, Greggs coffee, pumpkin spice. And when I'm at home, we have this like coffee machine thing with pods, which I know is not environmentally friendly, but it's really tasty. So, you know, or we used to have an AeroPress, and it was like this plunger thing with a filter. It was a bit weird. Like, I can't really explain it. I'll put a link down in the description box for an AeroPress, and then you might understand what I'm talking about. And I think, you know, I'm starting to be a little bit more environmentally friendly, so I want to maybe go away from, and these coffee pots are so expensive. Oh my word, they are so expensive. So I think, you know, let's go back to, you know, coffee beans and coffee granules and all that sort of jazz. And yeah, so yeah, coffee in any description, to be fair. I will drink coffee till the cows come home. So yeah, that is my favourite coffee, is coffee. As always, all the items will be linked in the description box below. So all my social media is in the description box below as well. And if you are not subscribed to this channel, what you're waiting for, hit that subscribe button down below. And if you are subscribed, thank you very much. I look forward to seeing you next time. And hit that notification bell to be notified when we release videos in future. Every day in the month of December, we're putting up videos at 8 PM. So I'm very looking forward to seeing what we get for the rest of the month. All the items will be linked in the description box below. I think I've said that already, but there you go. There it is. You can go down below. And yeah, I look forward to seeing you tomorrow for day 9 of this advent calendar. Look forward to seeing what we get then. Bye.